Imagine a world where technology no longer holds you back. A world where AI-driven applications and software run at lightning-fast speeds, effortlessly handling your most demanding tasks. Welcome to the Dell Pro Micro Plus desktop computers, the latest in a new generation of ultra-compact, AI-ready desktops. We all struggle with slow performance and lagging applications, but with the Dell Pro Micro Plus, those problems become a thing of the past. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 265 processor, this beast of a machine boasts 20 cores, 8 performance cores, and 12 efficient cores that can reach turbo speeds of up to 5.3 GHz, making it the perfect solution for professionals who need to crunch numbers, render graphics, and process complex data in no time. But what really sets the Dell Pro Micro Plus apart is its integrated AI capabilities. The three-tier multi-processing architecture combines the CPU, GPU, and NPU to create an AI-ready desktop that can handle demanding tasks with ease. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can switch between multiple applications, enjoy seamless transitions, and effortlessly multitask. The dedicated NPU even frees up resources for your AI-driven apps, ensuring they run faster and smoother than ever before. The Dell Pro Micro Plus is also incredibly versatile, boasting 4 display ports and 2 USB Type-C ports that allow you to expand your screen space and connect multiple displays with ease. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capabilities, you can stay connected and stream media with minimal lag. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, or software developer, the Dell Pro Micro Plus is the ultimate tool for boosting your productivity and creativity. The Dell Pro Micro Plus gives you the freedom to work from anywhere at any time without worrying about performance bottlenecks. Experience the future of computing today with the Dell Pro Micro Plus desktop computers. Start your journey with a new generation of AI-ready desktops. Get the Dell Pro Micro Plus and transform your workspace now.